Hello my dear students, welcome to your online class. So today we are going to start with a new chapter. Okay, we have completed the first chapter, that is sentences, right? So today we'll learn about nouns. Okay, this is also a part of speech. You know that there are 8 parts of speech and noun is among them. Okay, so what do you understand by noun? So we know that everything in the world has a name. Yes or no? There is a name of everything in the world. So these names, the naming words are called nouns. What? Nouns are what? Naming words. Okay? Like a girl. This is a what? Name or not? So this is what? Noun. Child. This is what? Noun. So these are naming words. Okay? So we know that nouns are naming words. It can be name of what? Person, place, animal, thing. Okay. Now we will learn about the kinds of nouns. Okay. Kinds of nouns. Earlier also you have got about what? Common noun. You have got or not? Common noun. So what do you understand by common noun? It is the common name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Like if we say here girl, boy, these are common names. It can be name of any girl, any boy. Yes. So if I write here buildings also, these are what? Any building. Lion, these are what? Any lion. There are many lions. So in this way we know that common nouns are the common name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Now proper noun. What? Proper noun. So what do you mean by proper noun? Proper noun is the particular name of a person, place, animal or thing. Like we have written here what? Girl. So if we have to say what? A proper noun, what it can be? Any name we can write, like what? Jia we can write. So this is the particular name of that girl. Right? If we write here the name of the particular boy Raj, so this is the particular name of that boy. Okay? So building we can write. If we write here Taj Mahal, then this is the particular building. So in that way we get this proper nouns are the particular names and common nouns are the common names of person, place, animal or thing. Understood? Okay. Earlier we have also learned about collective noun. Collective noun. You remember collective noun? What do you understand by collective noun? Collective nouns refers to the group of things. Like there is a one cow, then we can say a cow, right? But if you see a group of cows together, that means what? That is collective noun. For this group of cows, we can use a collective noun. If we use a herd, that means what? We can say herd of cows. This is what? Collective noun. This herd is the collective noun. You got earlier? Do you remember? Okay. For a group of lions, for a group of students. For group of students, we can use what? Class of students. Okay? Class of students. Flock of birds. So this way, to the group of things, what we use? Collective noun. Okay? Collective noun refers to the group of things. Understood this part? Okay. So we have learned about common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns. Do you all know about singular and what? Plural nouns? Do you know that? Yes. We have also got singular nouns and what? Plural noun. Singular noun refers to one thing, one place, one animal, right? One person. So it refers to a single thing, a boy. If one boy, a boy, this is what? Singular. And plural refers to what? More than one. That will be boys. Do you remember this one? Yes. It refers to single and it refers to more than one. It is what? One and it is more than one. Now we know that for singular noun if it will be boy, the plural noun will be what? Boys. But there are some irregular plural nouns. Okay, we get some irregular plural nouns. So what are these irregular plural nouns? That means in case of child, the singular noun is what? Child. The plural will be childs or what? No, it will be what? Children, right? If the singular is mouse, the plural will be what? Mice. So these are what? irregular plural noun. Okay, now take out page number 10. Okay, page number 10. There you can see a picture, right? Look at the picture and write a word for each type of noun given below. So you can see in the picture there is a what? What? A person. Yes, and there are some animals as well. So here you have to write the name of a person. That is, we know that naming words are one noun. So you have to name a person. What you can say? You can say what? You can see a person or not? A man. A woman? No, a man. So it is already written man. Okay. Now place. What you can see? This is a place of what? There is a road or not? Yes, the animals are coming through this road. So there is the place we can write road. Okay. Next, animal. Animal, what you can see? You can see many animals, right? You can see cows. Next, sheep also. Goat. Yes. So you can write any animal. So I have written goat. Okay. Next, thing. What thing? You can see here. You can see here what? A stick. A stick. This person, this man is carrying. Yes, you can see. So thing will be this stick. Okay. Next, profession. Profession, that is the occupation. What is the profession of this person? This person can be what? A farmer. So we can write here profession farmer. Okay, collective noun, that is the group of things. What group you can see here? You can see what? A group of cows also you can see. Okay, sheep also you can see. So we can use for this group of cows what? A herd of cows. So we will use the collective noun herd. Okay. Now singular noun. What singular noun you can see? There are what? Sheep also. So for singular or plural, the sheep will be same. Okay. Plural also we use sheep and singular also sheep. So we can write here sheep. You can write goat, cow, anything, but that should be what? Singular. Okay. I have written here sheep. Now plural. Plural, what you can write? You can write any animal. So we can write here cows. Okay. We have written all the three animals here. We have used goat also, sheep and cows. Three of them. Okay. Is it clear? So you just write this one in your book. So we have done this. Now we will do question number A. Okay. A. What is given? You have to match the descriptions to the nouns. With the nouns you have to match it. The first description, what is given? Your mother's or father's brother. Your mother's or father's brother will be what? Will be your what? You know that? Your mother's or father's brother will be your uncle. Okay? Uncle. Okay? Now, 2 number will match with your mother's father's mother. Your mother's or father's mother will be your what? Your mother's mother will be your what? Grandmother. Okay? Grandmother. So if I ask you your mother's or father's what? Father will be your grandfather. So in this way you will match it, this one in your book. Okay? Now question number B. B, what you'll do? You know that this one, what? It is very easy. You have to write the plural form of this nouns. Plural form. First one, I will do it for you. First one, story. So story, the plural form of story will be stories. We can write R, Y will be changed into I, then ES. Okay. Next, tooth. Tooth is not tooth. We use this irregular plural noun, that is teeth. Okay. One tooth and then teeth. Same way, deer. Deer and sheep, you know that the plural and singular are same. So deer will be deer. Okay. Elf, this magical beings. So we can write elf will be what? If there is F. How it is changed? Earlier also I taught you this one. If the singular is ELF, then F will be changed into V, then ES. Okay. Same way you will do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. In your book. Understood? Now question number C. See what you will do. You have to tick the correct collective nouns in the brackets. So these are collective nouns. You have to tick the correct one. And dash assembly, army, atlas of ants. For a group of ants, what you use? Army of ants. Okay. The first one will be army. Okay. Next, when the show ended, the dash stood up and cheered. There is a show means who are watching the show, the audience, right? So it will be audience. Okay. For a group of people watching the show, that will be audience. Okay. Same way 3, 4, 5. This is your homework. Okay. For a paper, for group of papers, for what mountains, group of mountains, for group of fish, what you use, you will just tick mark. Understood? Next is question number D also. You see, question number D also it is same. You have to use what? Collective noun. For a group of stars. Group of stars you will see in the sky. For that what we use? A galaxy of stars. Okay. Number D1 will be what? Galaxy. Okay. So you just try till D number. Okay. So that's all for today. Regarding any doubt till question number D, you can ask me. Thank you.